Okay, so this video is just to cover the hook side on the self-adhesive tapes. So all 25 meter rolls are supplied hook side or loop side. So this video is to cover the hook, which is the rough side or the scratchy side. This is your standard woven hook. It's referred to by product code as 088. So all adhesives with a release paper are applied the same way. So this covers everything from PS14, PS18. All the PS adhesives are pressure sensitive, which means that they have a release paper just to peel and stick. So this is the hook side, and we'll do a separate video just to show you the loop side.